Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna learn how to draw realistic eyebrows using charcoals. So let's start. First we're gonna apply a thin layer of charcoal using a soft brush. I personally prefer using cheap makeup brushes. You can get them anywhere from a Chinese shop. They're cheap and they're really good. They hold the pigment very well. So next, to start drawing the hairs, I begin drawing the thin hairs using a 5-inch or 4-inch pencil or 6-inch. To start drawing the darker hairs, I use an HB or a 2B would work well. As you see, I tend to draw the hairs outwards, inwards. So I begin from the hair end to the hair root. There we go. Darker outward, inward strokes of charcoal, and as for the movement of the brush strokes, I prefer doing the same. I would go from the hair end to the hair root. Yep, there goes the shading. It's like taking care of these fine details when it comes to the eyebrows. It goes a long way, it makes a big difference. Okay, so you just keep alternating between adding a layer of charcoal. I prefer adding thin layers of charcoal. Okay, and the same goes with the brush strokes. I tend to go from the hair end to the hair root, as seen in the video, like that. Next, you just shade the darker shades of eyebrow. And then you just keep adjusting. So that's it basically. As for arts, there are no rules. Each one of us may have their own preference. And ta-da! There goes your end result. Realistic eyebrow. So, if you like the content, please subscribe to my channel and thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching.